In this video, I will be sharing a potentially profitable trading strategy that could help offset any trading losses you may have experienced. So open a Dogecoin chart and choose a 15-minute time frame. The first indicator I use in this trading strategy is Darvas Box Buy-Sell indicator. To make it suitable for this trading strategy, let's change its settings by going to the Inputs tab and adjusting the length to 9. And now let's take a closer look at the Darvas Box Buy-Sell indicator, which is an important component of this trading strategy. The indicator is designed to draw boxes on the chart, and it issues buy and sell signals based on breakout of upper and lower lines of the boxes. When the price breaks above the upper green line of the box, a buy signal is issued, indicating that it may be a good time to buy. And conversely, when the price breaks below the lower red line of the box, a sell signal is issued, indicating that it may be a good time to sell. To make the chart easier to read, we can go back to the indicator settings and disable TB box and BB box options in the Style tab. This will remove boxes from the chart. This can make it easier to identify the signals and reduce confusions when trading. While using multiple indicators is essential for a sound trading strategy, it is crucial to note that even the most comprehensive approach can still involve risk. That's why relying on trading signals in addition to using multiple indicators can be a good strategy to help mitigate potential losses. Our Telegram channel provides real-time trading signals that can be used to complement your trading strategy. These signals are based on combination of technical and fundamental analysis. By joining to our Telegram channel, you will receive regular updates on market trends and signals that can be used to inform your trades. To improve the accuracy of our trading strategy, we will now incorporate the Firefly indicator. This indicator will help us confirm our buy and sell signals generated by the Darvas Box Buy-Sell indicator. To adjust the settings of the Firefly indicator, navigate to the Inputs tab. Adjust the lookback length to 20. After adjusting the settings, let's clean up the chart by disabling all options except for the middle line and histo in the Style tab. To make it easier to read and interpret the signals, we can change the colors just like the video. So now when we receive a buy signal, we need to check the Firefly oscillator. This confirms that if the Firefly indicator is green, it is a good time to buy. And on the other hand, if we receive a sell signal from the Darvas Box Buy-Sell indicator, we need to check the Firefly oscillator again, and this time we're looking for a red histogram, which would confirm that it is a good time to sell. To help you understand this strategy better, let's take a look at some examples on the Bitcoin chart using the 1-hour time frame. This will give you a clear idea how the strategy works in practice. To ensure even a stronger confirmation of our trades, we will integrate the HMA indicator into our strategy. To make adjustments to the settings, navigate to the Inputs tab and change the length value to 400, which will provide a smooth and reliable trend signal. Then head over to the Style tab and adjust the color to your preferences, making sure it stands out from the other indicators. And here are the rules for entering trades. To enter a long trade, a buy signal must be generated by the Darvas box indicator, and it should be followed by a green histogram in the Firefly oscillator for confirmation. And the signal candle must close above the HMA 400 for final confirmation. So if these conditions are met, you can enter a long trade at the close price of the signal candle. Then place the stop loss below the last swing of the market and set the risk-reward ratio as 1 to 1.5. To enter a sell trade using this strategy, you need to follow a few rules. First, wait for a sell signal from the Darvas box indicator. Then check the Firefly oscillator for a red histogram to confirm the sell signal. Finally, check the signal candle is below the HMA 400 for final confirmation. If all these conditions are met, you can enter the sell trade at the close price of the signal candle. Once you have entered the trade, it is important to place the stop loss above the last swing of the market to minimize your potential losses. Additionally, it is recommended to set your risk-reward ratio as 1 to 1.5 to potentially increase your profits. To test the effectiveness of this strategy, you can backtest it on any markets. So now let's do the backtesting. So here's the result after performing 100 trades on the 15-minute time frame on the Dogecoin chart. The result showed a win rate of 76% and a profit of 304%. This means that the strategy has shown a positive results. But if you're a beginner trader and would like to make money by trading in 2023, do not hesitate to watch this video.